My name is Morgan Stricot. I'm a fourth-year student in the Avignon Art School in France, in the Department of Preservation of Variable Media. I focused my master degree on digital art preservation and especially on interactive digital art. So interactive plant growing is an interactive computer-based installation created in 1992 by Christa Sommerer and Laurent Mignonneau. This installation is about the principle of growth of virtual plants in the three-dimensional space of a computer. So Christa Sommerer and Laurent Mignonneau met each other in 1992 and decided to do this artwork together the same years. Christa Sommerer studied biology, botany and sculpture, and Laurent has a background in computers, electronics, video art and performance. That's why every artwork they did together are a beautiful unity between scientific knowledge and artistic sensibility. By touching the plant or moving your hands toward them, you can influence and control the growth of 25 and more program-based plants, which are simultaneously displayed on a projection screen. There is at least 6 different variations for each plant. You can control the size of the plants, you can change the colors, the appearances, the direction, and there is 4 plants and a cactus. The cactus is also called the killer plant because when you touch it, it erases the contents of the screen. The different potential between electronical potential between my hand and my body and the plants gets measured when you are more closer and more farther. So those electronical values are going to be amplified and filtered and sent to the converter. The converter is going to transform the analog signal in data digital values. Those data are going to be sent to the SGI computer and it's going to be transformed in visual shape through the interactive plant growing program. The sensor is located in the roots of the plants behind the pots inside the column. The columns are here to hide the cable network. So the plants in this installation are really the central point. If a plant dies, the work is not going to run anymore. The plants are not going to feel if they die. So we have to take care of them really carefully. As you can see, the condition of exhibition of the plants are really stressful for them. There is no natural light. This is really dark. They are touched every day during 8 hours by people and the hair is pretty dry. So usually we have to change the plant every weeks. To try to increase their lifetime, we can balance the lack of natural light by installing ultraviolet lamps, which are going to feed the plants during the night. For the tiredness due to contact, we can choose more stronger plants. As for example, we can choose a pineapple tree instead of the fern because fern are really fragile. And instead of a moss, we can choose a little bush. So the technical staff take care of the plant as any other object in the museum. Technicians come every week to water them and to check if they are responding properly to the contact. The installation of interactive plant growing in 2012, 20 years after its creation, raises many questions about the preservation of it. The SGI computer used in this installation is a really old computer marketed between 1992 and 1997. So the spare part for these computers become really difficult to find. And if the computer failed, and it's already happened, it's going to become more and more difficult to fix it. The better way to preserve it is going to move the program on another computer. And for that we have to rewrite completely the software, and that way we are going to be able to change the material. This strategy is called a reinterpretation strategy. This is a really long process, but this is our better chance for this artwork. Since 2000 there is another version of interactive plant growing. This version is called a travel version. Basically this is an update copy of the original version. The ZKM museum built it to be allowed to lend the artwork to other institutions and museums, and continuing to exhibit this one in the ZKM Medienmuseum. This copy raises many questions also about the authenticity of digital art, and also about the uniqueness, the principle of uniqueness in museum. So how we should consider this copy, and should we preserve it as any other artworks? Those questions have to be clarified, and I hope I will. And I have 1 year to try to answer those questions.